Assalamu alaikum everyone. Hope you guys are doing well. This is Azam with Investify.com. So quickly, we're just going to do a weekly analysis for how the week went. We have started our account with about $1,000 around a month ago, and currently we're down by 0.2%, I would say, less than 0.2%. So let's take a look at S&P 500. Now, as we can see, S&P 500 has actually made its highest high over the last 5 years earlier this week. And so it's continuing in that pattern, and we anticipate that it is going to continue going higher. It might even go into 242 and continue rising. That's what's happening with S&P. Let's take a look at gold real quick. Gold is strong as well for now, but it will be interesting to see how it reacts with the S&P 500 increasing in value. So the interesting thing here is happening is that usually when the S&P 500 is going up, gold would be going down. But we are seeing that gold is strengthening. So this could mean that down the road we might see the S&P 500 falling and gold just rising higher. So we're going to be keeping a watch for that, because if that happens, that will impact our positions in the market. So something to think about, how commodities react when the dollar is moving in a certain direction. All right, so let's come to our positions. WUBA. All right, WUBA has been up about 17.5%. Complete return on it. We bought it around 38.5. It has reached its initial profit target that we had for WUBA. So you can essentially close this position, or if you did what we had recommended, close half of your position, move the other half stop loss to a break even. So this way you have at least, locked in your profits and you're not going to lose on that. NUS has been a little weak. We're still monitoring it and seeing how it will perform in the coming week or so. And if it starts to go down, we might actually just close the position to reduce our losses. XPO is up. It's profitable. I remember it actually did do well for us. It did rise enough that it reached our initial target profits. And the same thing with XPO. You can move it to break even and then just, close half of your position to lock in profits. AEM is doing all right currently. It's starting to grow. AMBA has been pretty good as well. It's profitable. This is essentially positions that we can close because they did reach their profit levels as indicated. And let's take LPSN did pretty well for us. It's still up 25%. So it reached its profit targets. And so this one is considered closed, but if you close only half the position, move the other half to break even, nothing like it. It's been a very profitable trade for us. Travelzoo also reached its profit level for us earlier this week. And so it's considered closed, but if you didn't, you can actually close half of the position and move the other half to break even. So at least this way, you actually have locked in some profits. Hecla Mining is close to break even from where we bought it. And COM has been up about 1.7%. So those are our positions so far in the market. And as we always do, we focus on what's the long-term projection with these. How much further can they go based on their financials, the news that's coming out, and really just, the market analysis, how the markets are behaving right now. So inshallah, later on this weekend, we will reach back to you guys with the updates for next week and what positions, what stocks we're looking at, what prices to buy them, and what our thinking is about the coming weeks, as what might happen or what might continue happening with the markets. Thank you so much, guys. Have a wonderful Friday. Ramadan Mubarak. Take care. Assalamu alaikum.